How to fix Snapchat video sound not working. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. So first of all, open up your Play Store and search for the Snapchat. Now tap on the Snapchat and make sure to update to the latest version. Now go back to your home screen and keep holding the Snapchat icon until this menu pops up. Now tap on App Info and tap on Force Stop. Now go to Storage Usage and tap on Clear Data. Now go back and select Permissions. Now click on Microphone and select Allow only while using the app. Now go back. I hope this would fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.